not bending the right way.
Point the shark's head down.
It's not bending.
Look at me, Carter.
Nice shark.
There, Carter, look at that.
Catch and release. Flipping jigs. Today we got a special episode. We're here at Crystal Pier. We're gonna try some saltwater fishing. The beach is popping. Check it out. Got some live entertainment. Pier is right over there. We're gonna load up the wagon and poles and tackle and camera gear, and we're gonna hit the beach or the pier. All right, we'll see you out there. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. See you on the pier. Nobody's catching anything. Looks beautiful out there. Yep. Capri by the sea. And you caught three.
Like you embarrassed us.
3 on one hook or a bunch of hooks. Yeah, I know, huh?
Sardines? Are they
Bait, we got some bait.
Okay, nice. We got a follow?
A Flippin' JIGGZ TV. Flippin' JIGGZ TV. Evan, what'd you catch? Good job, Jasmine. You caught 3?
Jasmine, where Daddy? Damn, look at that.
Ooh, Crystal Pier. We're here with the fam bam. Flippin' JIGGZ. Doing some saltwater fishing. My daughter Jasmine just caught 3 baby mackerels. We're posted up right here. Imperial Beach, on the beach. Beach is open. Looks beautiful out here today. Surfers out there, fishing there, hooks in the water, catching fish. That's how we do it. Guys, this is the rig. We got a sabiki rig. I think these are size, I don't know, 8. They're really small. Using some fish bites. This is fish and clam scent. This is what's working right now. All right, let's do this. Got one.
Got him, babe.
I got one. One, come here, one.
Oh, you did. You just
Look, I caught Juan the fish. Juan the fish, there you are.
Let throw it back in the water, babe.
I am. I got too much bait already. Another one? Yeah. Woo, let me see. There you go. Good job. You gonna take it off the hook?
Probably, yeah.
You caught one too? This is the spot right here. Caught one? No? Oh, okay. Alright, he already caught a fish. He's flopping around. Flopping around like a fish.
Look at all the weight.
Yep. Let's caught a fish. What you got there? 2? Whoa. Get him. It looks like a perch. Whoa, whoa. Perch.
Take a picture of Ariela.
Ariela caught a perch.
It's a perch. Nothing's gonna happen, Mama. Okay, 1, 2.
Yeah, good job.
It's not bending the right way.
Point the shark's head down.
It's not bending the right way.
Look at me, Carter.
Nice shark.
There, Carter, look at that.
Catch and release.